everyone, it's Merve from Weglot, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your translations private. When you set up Weglot, your translations are public by default, meaning all your visitors can view these translations on your website. But you can easily change this setting and make your translations private while you work on them. To enable the private mode, go to the Translations tab and Languages section. You'll see that next to each language pair, there's an Options menu. You can make your translations private by switching the Make Public option. Until you make your translations public again, they won't be visible to search engines or visitors. However, even in private mode, you can always access your translations by logging into your website as admin or simply adding this text at the end of your URL. And when you're ready to make your translations public again, just switch off the Make Public option. So this was it for our tutorial. You can always reach out to us at support@weglot.com if you need help. Until next time, bye!